time in Samoa, while I was in Samoa growing up, people would come from Hawaii, and all this time I thought this area was called Waipahu. Because when Samoans come, they say, okay, go for Waipahu. I live in Waipahu. And then I came here today and I noticed on the school sign that there's an H, Waipahu. For the sake of those people who keep saying Pau, Waipahu. Everybody say it together. Waipahu. 5 times. In the daily life of a Samoan, chores are administered throughout the house. I grew up with these daily, which saddens me today because I see everyone, even the little ones, on their devices and no chores being done. I'm dark not because I am black, I am dark for staying in the sun so long, doing all those chores in Samoa. As I mentioned before, on the 14th of May this year, 2016, the Waipahu Poly Club will partake in the island-wide Polynesian Fest. And in this, they will be competing on peeling bananas, because you don't only eat them ripe. They will focus on weaving baskets that may be used for just about anything, even a school bag. They will husk coconuts, because unlike in the TV, they don't come just circular. And they will make plates out of coconut leaves, or in Samoan, ma'ilo. They will also make the famous Samoan punishment stick, the salu, which I'm sure most of you are aware of, especially you older folks. So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Waipahu Poly Club as they feature their performance, Feau, Faa-Samoa. Give them a hand. Before they get on with their chores or their daily duties, peeling the bananas will be Silaumua, Silauau, and Donald. Donna. The basket weaving will be done by Janaya. And Anilese. Coconut husking will be done by Habea. The weight weaving for the ma'ilo will be done by Penina and Gloria. The broom making or the salulima will be done by Eileen. Competitors, are you ready? Set, go! Let's go.
Go, Willie!
Appreciation tonight. Present Mr. Faa-Samoa with this money.
You know why I'm starting to cry? He's my cousin. And he's the last one on the stage. I can make that 2 minutes tops. Not 5.
Ladies and gentlemen, one of the categories for this Polyfest that they'll be having on May 14th will be the oratory speech.